As I said, Diarra today we hope is available to practice. Also we had Edmond and Pacom sick. We hope today, I don't know Edmond. Edmond is a little bit perhaps more difficult to recover for that match. But yes, that 3 players have cautioned about, but I hope unless 2 are ready to the match. So after that 2 matches for Champions League, we must to put our efforts and focus on that match for the league. For sure, we have a challenge, and the challenge is to keep the mindset. Always a team as young Africans must to look for the matches to beat the opponents. This is our mindset for Champions League, and for sure this must to be our mindset for our home league matches. So this is the big challenge for everyone, and we are working so hard to that, crossing some setbacks after our arrival. But I hope tomorrow everything is prepared to have a good match and face a team who are doing also a good season till now.
Tupo katika fatiki kubwa kwa sababu tumetoka kwenye Champions League, lakini focus kubwa ni kuelekea mechi ya kesho. Naamini kwa uwezo wa Mwenyezi Mungu tumejipanga vizuri kimwili, kiakili. Tuko tayari kwa sababu ya kupigania pointi 3 za mchezo wa kesho.